Hi, I'm Wayne. We're going to show you this time how to make some s'mores over your kitchen stove. You can make these indoor. We used to make them all the time when we were out camping or with campfires, but we're going to do this indoor on the kitchen stove. First off, you're going to need some graham crackers. Then you're going to need some marshmallows, the big ones, not the little bitty ones like you put in hot chocolate. You're going to need a chocolate bar. We're going to use a Hershey, but you can use whatever you want. You're going to need a fork. That's what you're going to toast it on. Okay? So we'll take our graham crackers. Here's two of them. You break them apart. Put one down. Open up your Hershey bar. Break it in half. Take your Hershey. Set it on top of the graham cracker. Take a marshmallow out. Stick a fork in it because that's what you're going to cook it on. And we're going to go cook it over the stove. Okay, you can see how the burner is beginning to glow. It's electric, so we're going to cook it over an electric stove here. Rotate your marshmallow, kind of roast it all over. Kids, be careful. Don't do this without your parents here because you can get burned. If it catches on fire, just blow it out like we used to do out on the campfire. You'll see it start getting brown here in just a minute. Does get warm on your hands though. There we go, see it browning? As it gets brown, it heats up that marshmallow on the inside, and it's going to get gooey. Alright. See it roasting? I had to move my hand there a little bit, it was getting hot. Just about ready, I think. Yeah, let's put it on the Hershey there. Set it down on the Hershey. Use your other cracker to pull it off. Fork. See how gooey that is? Boy, that's melted. That looks good. Ooh. Does look good. Okay, we're done toasting it. Let's start taking a bite out of it and see how it is. Wow. Marshmallows everywhere. Whoa. It's kind of hot, so be careful. That's good. That is very good.